Hello and welcome. Thank you for viewing this educational segment presented by Buying Behavior Metrics. I'm your host, Martin Smith, author of The New Exhibitor and the new Lean Six Sigma Orange Belt for Exhibitors. These and other exhibiting tools are available on our website at bbmgo.com. Please go to the site and make use of the tools. You will find them to be extremely valuable in implementing and improving your exhibiting and event purchase experience. One of the overriding truths about events is that, from a sales aspect, they have a physicality to them. They are momentum-oriented and they obey the scientific laws and constraints of nature. An event can be analogously compared to a pot of water on a stove. If the pot of water is placed on the stove and the heat is turned on, what would happen? To the untrained observer, it would appear that for a long period of time, the burner is inputting massive amounts of heat energy into this pot with seemingly little or nothing to show for it. The water appears unchanged, but suddenly there's an eruption of activity as the water is transformed from a liquid to a gas and as the pot boils over. Marketing activity at these events behaves the same way. The energy put into the system in the form of awareness building, pre-show marketing campaigns can often appear to have little or no effect. But just as the molecules in the water are being excited and begin to move faster and faster, reaching their critical excitation points, buyers begin to consider your company's offering. They start testing the bonds between themselves and the product and service offerings of the companies they are familiar with and use. They are considering the potential of what they could become if they purchase the new products or service offerings from your company. As the attendee buyers engage in the offering presented on displays and in demonstrations, they begin to bubble up with the potential of preferring to utilize the exhibitor's offering to meet their applications and subsequently solve their problems. Finally, they interact face-to-face with the booth staff. These relationship-building interactions, complemented by the subcultural bonding in place, serves as a catalyst to free the attendees from their current situations, and they boil over into a new, higher-level business state as they convert to utilizing the company's product or service offering. They do this by making a purchase decision. All of this takes place within the confines of a boiling pot of a trade, corporate, consumer show, or even in a retail store. This happens because the physical laws of the universe extend down to the attendee or consumer level at an event. For example, Newton's law, which states that an object in motion will continue in motion unless acted upon by a force, is clearly seen in that an attendee walking down an aisle will continue down the aisle unless some marketing force redirects him or her. This could be a sign, a display, or a face-to-face interaction with another person. If nothing impacts the attendee, they will continue unabated. Or consider the law which states that for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. During one of the American Dental Association events, an exhibitor utilized banners of women wearing only signage. The large growing segment of dentists, who just happen to be women, found the signs to be too distasteful and strong of a force and complained to the show management and even refused to enter the booth. If the marketing elements of a booth space are too strong and overbearing for the audience, it will elicit a strong reactionary force from the attendees. So it is vital to realize that there are physical laws at work which must be obeyed, or you jeopardize severing your connection to the audience. In conclusion, allow me to thank you for your time in reviewing this material and for your interest in buying behavior metrics. It is our sincere desire to provide valuable offerings to help exhibitors create worthwhile purchase experiences and ultimately maximize their ROI. Please go to our website and explore all the online tools available at bbmgo.com. Thank you.